Effort ko din eh.
Sayang yung hinintay niyo, tapos masisira siya ng
Naiinis na talaga.
Relax lang, relax mo lang. Sayang yung hinintay yung 7. Tapos ganun.
Sabi ko kailangan ko kumalma kaya ako naglakad dun sa likod.
Anong sabi nila sir? Nilagyan ko sila sa side. Yung lakas na pala.
Court number 3, men's doubles level D, match between Leo and Nigel versus Raj and JM. Court number 3, match men's doubles level D, match between Leo and Nigel versus Raj and JM. Please proceed to court number 3.
Ibang game. Lagari ako dito. Sabay na yung
Tinigilan ko talaga. Kaya sabi ko, yan bawin talaga.
Kasi sayang yung hinintay. Sayang yung effort.
Court number 1, mixed doubles level E, match between Rinaldi and John Raven. Mixed doubles level E, court number 1, Rinaldi and John Raven versus Alexis and Aya. Court number 1. Mixed doubles level E. Rinaldi and John Raven versus Alexis and Aya. Please proceed to court number 1.
Naghahanap na nga sila ng resort sa Sweden.
Oo, naghahanap na rin kami.
Kasi sulit. Kasi love out na yung nag-go. Check out natin. Lumalapit lang naman 250. Pero sino mag-drive?
Hindi kasi namiss ko.
Ayun na nga. Ayun mag-drive.
Court number 8, mixed doubles level E, match between Albert and Nina versus Tanner and Laika. Court number 8, mixed doubles level E, match between Albert and Nina versus Tanner and Laika. Please proceed to court number 8.
Consuelo.
Tingin nyo na sana yung sakto.
Sabi mo naman yung baby.
doubles level D. Please proceed to court number 6. Emil and Emil and Erich versus Vince and Harris. Please proceed to court number 6. Men's doubles level D. Emil and Erich versus Vince and Harris.
Nakakaitang game pa lang ako matagal.
Ako dalawa eh. Tapos lalabas yung pagkakontrol dito. Pero in fairness, habang namin kanina, from 17 to 20 plus, 24, 25,
Women's doubles level D finals, court number 2. Women's doubles level D finals, court number 2. Ayla and court number 2, Ayla and Carol versus Lourdes and Bless. Please proceed to court number 2, women's doubles level D finals. Court number 2.
oo, kasi ang problema naman sa sakit na yan, tapos kung talaga yung isip pala ko. Lawrence! Mas pakita ka one time, daanan mo.
Nakita niyo na, tumirap lang siya. Tinignan ko talaga siya. Wala sa akin.
Uy, kawan natin na
Nice try.
Go, Marga! Okay na ako, sabay ka.
Please prepare next available court, Andrea and Marielle, Gianna and Nina. Next available court, women's doubles level D. Please prepare.
Oo, para at least alam na. Kung saan may mabakante, din mo agad sa iba. Marga?
Parehas sila, ano?
Yes.
Court number 6, mixed doubles level E, Danica and Tristan versus Lorne and Joseph. court number
Relax
6.
na ba?
Sorry, correction. Court number 7. Court number 7. Danica and Tristan versus Doreen and Joseph. Please proceed to court number 7.
Tulak naman. Eh, syempre. Ha? Pero nakakatawa dito.
Mix kita.
Kaya yan. Yung mix, yung ano ko nga kay ate, pilay-pilay na.
Court number 9. Court number 9. Mixed doubles level E. Ray and Mary Joy versus Danielle and Colin.
Go!
Danielle and Colleen. Court number 9. Mixed doubles level E. Ray and Mary Joy versus Danielle and Colleen. Court number 9. Court number 2, women's doubles level E. Andrea and Mariel versus Gianna